Good morning, dear hockey friends. Welcome to Jabalpur University Field Hockey Center. I am Dr. Sunil Lakhera and my trainee is Priyanka. Let's learn about the technique of straight hit, especially left foot leading. First of all, what is straight hit? Straight hit, when we are striking the center part of the ball with the center part of the stick, and ball goes along the ground towards the direction according to rules and cover maximum distance in minimum time is called straight hit. It is very important for long passes, goal shooting, penalty corner, making a clearance and releasing a pressure. Now come to the techniques of this straight hit. First of all, grip. The double B grip will be used because means left hand at the top of the stick, leaving 2 or 3 inches, and right hand close to the left hand. Both hands making a B along with the curved edge of the stick. All the hands should hold the stick firmly. It is very necessary for the straight hit that grip should be firmly. Now come to the body position. Left foot leading with his toe slightly inward. Right foot behind and resting on toe to make a balance. Both the legs are slightly bent. And upper body bending forward. Shoulder will be towards the target. Eyes on the ball. Now placement of the ball. Ball is kept in front of left foot toe and left foot toe at convenient distance. Take a back swing and without break, downward and forward swing, and strike the center part of the ball with the center part of the stick. Now come to the follow through. Follow through is the very important part of the any skill. Now take a back swing and without break, downward and forward swing, and strike the center part of the ball with the center part of the stick. Stick will stand it toward the target and tip of the hockey pointing toward the sky. Now the question is arise, how should this skill be taught? किस तरीके से ये सीखी जाएगी? जो टीचिंग स्टेजेस है हिट की वो 4 स्टेजेस हैं. नंबर वन हिट एन इमेजिनरी बॉल फ्रॉम स्टेशनरी पोजीशन विदाउट बॉल. इमेजरी बॉल you can hit, current hit, yes. Now second stage is hit in stationary ball from stationary position, yes, by left foot forward. ऐसे come here. Hit an imaginary ball in stationary position, and then third stage is roll and hit the ball, and third है roll and dribble and hit the ball, right? Again hit again, left foot forward. Yes, hit. I hope you like and subscribe this video. Thanks to all.